true too, but actually the kind of submission that I'm referring to just means cooperation and agreement. I don't think that anybody could say that I represent a woman who is subjugated in any kind of way. I don't think that anybody could say that my personality sounds like some man has me somewhere crawling around on the ground or walking 10 paces behind him. So I'm not representing that. I'm representing strength. I'm saying that we have a lot of power. We have power to make heaven and hell for our men. And I'm saying, let's try making heaven. Let's try to build him up. If a man has his woman behind him, he will believe he can do anything. And all we need to do is to get our men to believe that they can do anything.
It smells so good. It smells so good over here. What you doing, Mama? What? Oh, you're collecting broken woods. Broken woods. She's not using broken woods. She's foraging, she says. Yes, dear.
You're busy.
No, I'm not. I can be doing something else.
Did you break this?
No.
What do we need? What do we need?
We gotta figure out where the next footer goes. So right out there where you just dug that out, we need to put that there, and then we gotta get it level. Right?
Sounds about right.
Did you want the rocks?
Rocks.
I brought a bucket of gravel.
Yeah, sure, I'll use the rocks.
I keep trying to let you use it and you keep denying me.
I'll recall it that way though.
Well, that one doesn't have any rocks
What
under
you do, karate chop it or what?
Sharice broke it.
I did not.
Stop taking out your ankle in the winter.
Right? Or maybe start.
Little bruise.
Alright, Jonathan, what's next? What do we got to do? What's the plan?
So next, we put the post in there.
Okay. After we tamp this down, we put the post in it?
No, after you tamp it down, you check it to see if it's level.
Okay.
So I'm the level checker, so I'll do that.
Now where do we want to be? How far off of that post?
4 foot 5 inches.
4 foot 5 inches.
How far off are we?
About 4 inches.
4 inches?
4 inches.
Jeez. That's more oddball than 5 inches.
Guess it's going to be the same play on both of these.
And it went.
In it went. Cut our 4 foot, whatever that was. 56 inches, I believe.
This isn't level. This is not level.
Well, take care of that. Thing's looking confused.
Because it's got your face as the focal point.
Why does it have that?
Because I was behind the camera and I can't make my face the focal point.
I'm sorry, folks at home.
I'll get a shot of what's going on here so you can see. Our original plan was to put this section on the other side. We changed that plan to accommodate a fire pit. That change presented a challenge.
And we will be backfilling that back in with dirt, so for the viewers, you don't have to worry about the sand washing out from underneath it. It'll be burned.
How are we going to get it around the tree? That's what I'm thinking. I'm asking myself that question out loud. I'm asking myself that question as I'm. Because I know there's a way it can be done. I just have to open up my creative centers. Don't look at me like that. You know there's a way. You know it's possible.
My favorite part.
Well, if you can lift it anymore.
If I go any more, it starts hitting the corner of that fork on the edge of the pallet.
Okay. Crackle pop.
You said what?
Snap, crackle pop. I heard your knees.
Yes, this is great.
See, tightening up that gap, I think it'll make it for our planks just easier.
Yeah.
Hand me that pencil, please. It's in the front. I can't wait.
Like a little candy cane.
Oh yeah. Look what I made, though.